Hey guys, I'm back and today is week 1, day 6. Now I'm not officially in my week 1, my real week 1, because I got my kit. So this kit is my first month supply for Optavia. When you first sign up and you purchase this kit, this is like a lot of different things for you to sample and try, and it kind of is all picked out for you, and then the following month you can get the same kit, or you can change your order and get other things like your favorite things and not get things that you don't like and all of that. Well, I didn't follow the norm as usual, so I placed an order for just a 1-week supply so I could try it out first, see kind of how things are and how I like it before I started this whole thing. So if I would have hated it, then I guess I could have just shipped this right back to the company. But I didn't hate it. I actually love this, and I have been losing weight. Tomorrow will be day 7 and I will let you know the results. I think it's a great program to lose weight, and it's working for me, so I'm gonna keep doing it. And I'm gonna tell you about day 5. I didn't come on here for day 5 because I was waiting to get this so I could just kind of do it all in one video. So I gotta tell you about day 5. Today is day 6, and then I will share with you what's in this box. But I'm gonna do that probably as a separate video, just so this isn't too long. So yesterday, day 5 went well. I didn't really have anything major to share yesterday. That's why I didn't really make a video. I wasn't super hungry yesterday or today, which has been great. No big cravings or any of that. Matter of fact, today was an actual pretty sad and devastating day for me. I had to get myself together in order to even be able to do this video, because I found out that one of my dear close friends from high school passed. I think I mentioned on another video how I got a call from some high school friends, and so I didn't go to bed when I wanted to that night a couple nights ago. One of the people on that call was one of my best friends from high school, and he was trying to, I asked him to connect me with another friend of ours, so it was kind of like we were always together in dance class and in a lot of our other classes, and we didn't connect with him that day, but we were planning on connecting with him very soon. However, sadly, he was a nurse in New York City, and he's one of the people who recently lost their lives treating patients with COVID-19. So that broke my heart completely. We were very close. We made up a dance together in high school. We were in dance class. That's how we met. Our senior year, we made up this special dance together as a treat to our seniors. I keep saying it was Endless Love. Was it Endless Love? Yeah. So we made up a dance to that and did that together. And then I remember when we were in college, my cousin and I drove from Michigan to Indiana to go pick him up from his dorm room and surprise him and his mom. I don't remember for sure if we surprised him, but we surprised his mom with a visit from him. She was missing him so much, so we went and picked him up so he could get back home to Michigan to visit his mom, and then we took him back, and that was very special. I haven't talked to him in probably 15 years, and we were just about to reconnect, and that would have been so special if we would have got to do that. So sad and heartbroken that we didn't, but he'll always have a special place in my heart. And so because of that happening, well, it didn't happen today, but I found out about it today, I missed 2 of my fuelings, and I mean, it wasn't even hard for me to miss those. I almost didn't even notice that I missed them. But when you're sad and hurt and all of that, it's easy not to eat anyway. So I don't know, but yeah, so I just ate my lean and green meal, and it is 8 o'clock. I think I ate it around 7, and I still have 2 fuelings to go. So I'm gonna try to get them in. I'm actually gonna sample. I may just eat 2 of them at the same time and eat them, try some stuff out of here. Or I may only end up doing 1. And you know, it's just 1 day of not getting them all in. I'm sure it's not gonna hurt me. Okay, sorry, I'm back. My daughter called. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna wrap this up to say that I will be back. I'm gonna just start the video again and get into this box so we can see what's inside. All right, bye.